There he is. He's understanding. You're a smart bird. Shake your head. That's a good girl. Or boy, I don't know which it is. What is it, a boy or a girl?
Grandma, look, I'm on tape.
It's a boy.
Either one.
It's a boy.
A boy?
Grandma, they could see me. Look.
Okay.
Come here, Grandma. Oh, you call it pretty.
How's this? Oops. You like that?
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Peekaboo.
That's something.
Said peekaboo. Said peekaboo.
Yeah, second.
Said he's
Say
hungry.
something. Say hi, Toots. That's a nice bird. Yeah. You're a nice bird. Nice and clean. He agrees. You come from a nice relationship. You should take that schooling. Yeah. Say something. Does it speak? What is it? You
I
hear?
love you.
It's hard to understand it, but a little couple words. That's all right. You're saying hello. Say hello, Toots. That's all right. You probably want to look at somebody else. Look at this other girl. Speak, he probably understands you.
Hi, bird. I
Speak to her. Tell her to behave herself at school.
Janet,
What?
you think you could run